Whether you're in the prime of your life or approaching your more mature years, or even if you've arrived at old age, will you want to live your life in sadness or pain or constant worrying? I'm sure you'd prefer the idea of looking forward to joyful times with grandchildren, perhaps even travelling the world, remaining active and vital, dancing merrily to the tunes of life. I'm sure you wouldn't say no to engaging and socialising in life for as long as you can, capturing a silly moment, experiencing your body in the fullest range of movement that it's capable of achieving. I'm sure you'll want to savour every adventure, realise every single dream, even turn sour lemons into sweet lemonade, metaphorically speaking. Maybe if you've never known confidence, you could find it. Perhaps you could become enough and find your self-esteem, and finally learn to love yourself. Feel Good TV could be the place where you find happiness, where you build esteem, lift confidence, experience physical health and happiness, all the way towards a place of mastering joy. Once having mastered joy, nothing in life will ever bring you down again.